How to replace a Human Touch Novo XT Pro Plus Sound PCB. You will need a short-handled Phillips head screwdriver to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Note the location of the 3 screws that secure the rear shroud, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. Pull the rear shroud toward you to detach it, then turn it clockwise and rest it on the floor. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the 3 screws that secure the PCB cover. The 2 PCB cover corners facing the front of the chair are secured by a barbed tab. Push each corner of the cover toward the front of the chair to clear the tab lip, then pull firmly up on the cover to detach it. Remove the 2 red connector locks from the sound PCB connectors. To remove a connector lock, pull outward on the connector lock tab and then upward. Disconnect all of the connectors from the PCB. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the PCB, then remove the PCB from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Place the new PCB into position with the round connector facing to the right. Replace the 4 screws to secure the PCB to the tray. It's helpful to partially tighten the first screw, fully install the second screw, then finish tightening the first screw. Replace the 2 connector locks, then connect all of the connectors to the PCB, matching by size and color. Note the remote cable pins, which need to be installed into the corresponding sockets on the round PCB connector. Orient the remote cable with the cable facing the rear of the chair, then connect the connectors. Note the 2 tabs on the PCB tray. Note the 2 slots on the PCB cover. Lower the PCB cover slots over the PCB tray tabs, then use your fingers to confirm that the tabs are installed in the slots. Tighten the 3 screws to secure the PCB cover. Note the slots on each side of the chair. Place the rear shroud into position, with the edges installed in the slots. Make sure the edges are installed in the slots, adjusting them if necessary. Replace the 3 screws to secure the shroud. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.